Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Disorderly Family Refuses to Leave Bar Doesn't End Well by Crime Cam Watch.
Take off what? Go. What? What? He's gonna beat the f***. What the do it? He's 13. He's 13. He's 13 years old. You was talking to me.
On June 13th, 2025, police officers on Bar District Patrol assisted with a disturbance. This is what happened next.
She told her.
You want to talk? Shut up. Talk when the cops come. Talk when the cops come.
I love when people get tough when the cops come.
Wait, go to my kids. 13. I know. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go.
What are they doing with you at the bar?
Let's go.
Touch me, bitch. Touch me.
Oh. She been letting her kids drink with her.
Let's go. Hey, don't be pushing. Let's go. Hey, don't be pushing him. Let's go unless you want to go to jail. Go. Get out of here. We're trying being cool. You're not going to touch him. Stop. Go home. We're trying being cool.
You need to go get your daughter.
Go. Go. Get out of here. I know. Should have him get out of here. Is it really worth it? Let's go.
Hell no.
Let's go.
You little
You. I wish you all would. Come on, let's Memphis, what? Let's go. This stop, you dumb.
What is she saying?
Memphis, what? And they got booked when the cops came. All y'all. There was no cops around. Let's go. Memphis, get out. Let's go. Get out of here. Go. Let's go. We're going. Go. Yeah, we're going. Go. Shut up. Yeah, you think you're all big and bad. Let's go. Hurry up.
You think you're all big and bad? You think you're all big and bad?
Or you'll get arrested. You'll get arrested. Jesus Christ. Go. Yo. I know. We're trying to be cool. Come on. Let's go. It's not worth it. It's not worth it.
Why won't y'all just can leave?
Memphis against Albuquerque. Yo. Come on. Ain't nothing until you guys came, bro. Yeah, go.
Memphis versus Albuquerque. Hey, Spanish people do not fuck around. You and me, they will slice and dice your ass and trice your ass.
Bro, ain't Memphis to Albuquerque, bro. But they didn't do shit till you guys pulled up. I know. We know. Okay, we're going. Let's go. I'm serious. Thank you.
Oh, you're about to get arrested. Pig.
Hey, stop, bro. Stop. It was Memphis against us.
What type of mother have her kids with her drinking though?
They want to touch us like the doing.
Y'all don't need to follow us. It was that dirty.
Y'all need to leave. You need to leave.
I got it.
We're cops. You can go wherever we want. We're just walking. So go home. Yeah.
They can't do nothing unless you guys touch them. Regardless if they say they know their rights and sell the weed, they can't touch them. Yeah, it's disorderly conduct. You can go to jail. You guys can't touch them. Yes, we can. Do you want to go to jail?
Oh,
Let me pull up.
touch us.
Right?
Y'all
Yeah,
can
pull
touch
up your
us.
rights.
Hey,
Pull up your
y'all
rights.
touch us. Y'all can touch us.
She just need a hug. She need her dad in her life. She is too angry.
It's called disorderly conduct. Go. Get out of here. We're trying to be cool. Do I really want to take you to jail? Is it worth
Your
it?
little cameras.
Yeah, it's recording. Stop acting like an idiot and leave.
Record.
Jesus
Touch
Christ.
us. Yeah. Y'all think you just because you have rights can touch us. You don't.
Jesus
Take that
Christ.
suit off. Take that suit off.
Take the suit off. You are a child. What are you gonna do to a grown ass man? I'm trying to understand.
Don't tell us to shut up unless you want to go to jail.
Bro, you ain't.
Yes, you can for disorderly conduct. I'm trying to be cool.
First of all, my First
Disorderly
Amendment,
conduct.
my
No.
first right says
Disorderly
yes, I
conduct
could.
is you
Bro,
screaming in
you
the
cannot.
public
I
like
swear
this.
the fuck to God, you couldn't. I wish you would threaten me, but
What?
you can't.
You gonna take off your backpack? Go. What?
He's gonna beat the.
You gonna do it?
He's 13.
Yeah.
He's 13. He's 13 years
You
old.
should probably
I
raise
could do
him.
the
Yeah, he's right. You should probably raise him a lot better than what you're doing because you're failing miserably if he is out here fighting with you.
You was talking to me. You was talking to me. Maybe you should have
Oh, we got action. Oh, he swung on a cop. Oh yeah, take her out to jail. His ass to jail, and his ass to jail, and the mama to jail. Take them all to jail. Oh yeah. Hell nah. He just put his hands on a grown man. You put your hands on a grown man, you get grown man consequences. That tree strong as hell. He's 15. Damn, now if mama go to jail, who gonna bail out everybody else? That officer thick as hell. That's a woman, I hope. Oh yeah.
Stop.
This has got to be very embarrassing.
Stop fighting. We gave you enough chances. So move. Move.
You guys are 15 years old.
Move.
My kid is 15 years old, bro. I'm 13 years old. We're selling hats out here. We're
Yeah,
selling hats.
sure you were.
We are.
Selling hats. Y'all look drunk.
You know how many stocks we sold, bro?
Well, you're going to jail tonight, so
Yo, my kid was 13.
hope it was worth it.
That's crazy.
Hey, we good. Hey, we good. We good. We good. Hey, we good. Hey, homie. Angelo. We good.
Oh, I get what happened. Y'all was selling hats. The people ain't like the hats. They said them hats and y'all got mad. Okay.
Angelo, we good. Angelo, we good. We good. We good.
Are you good, bro?
We good.
You good, bro?
We good.
Good, bro. You were just out here selling.
You too. Hey, what the are you touching my auntie for? You're going to jail too. What the fuck, man? Shut up. Give me your phone. Stop resisting. Hold on. Anybody else? Yeah, kid right here. Going? Yep. He's fighting me. Yep. Yeah.
I hope it was worth it.
We're trying to stop.
Nah, you was saying fuck you to the police and calling them all type of bitches. They couldn't wait to get you. Stick a cord in your ass because you played yourself. Anybody cut that backpack?
You weren't trying to stop me. You were trying to fight the whole time.
Yeah. That's what I saw.
Sit down. Hurry up. Sit down.
Oh.
He didn't have to throw her in there, but she was very disrespectful from the start.
Be quiet, don't say nothing.
This is how their mom is raising them, though. So I mean, hey.
Angelo, don't say nothing. You guys record us.
In the
See
vehicle.
how you
I would feel like I've lost as a parent if I let my child get arrested in front of me. I ain't gonna lie to you. I would feel very, very low as a parent.
act straight
In the
here.
vehicle.
Are y'all serious,
How would you guys feel?
bro?
Yep, we're dead serious.
All suspects were taken into custody and charged with disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and battery on an officer.
Shaking my head.
Thanks for watching. And
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.